There's one truth people ignore every day. Your emotions can either control your life or empower it. If you don't learn to master your emotions, they will master you. Welcome to this powerful motivational talk inspired by Mel Robbins, a voice that reminds us how emotional strength is the foundation of a successful and peaceful life. In a world filled with negativity, rejection, and stress, being emotionally strong doesn't mean you never feel pain. It means you don't let pain control your actions. Habit 1. They take responsibility for their feelings. They don't blame others. They own their emotions and focus on solutions. Habit 2. They practice gratitude. Even on hard days, they find one thing to be thankful for, because gratitude kills negativity. Habit 3. They stay calm under pressure. Instead of reacting, they breathe, think, and respond with control. Habit 4. They set healthy boundaries. They say no without guilt. Protecting their energy is self-respect, not selfishness. Habit 5. They avoid overthinking. They act instead of analyzing every what if. Action brings clarity. Habit 6. They surround themselves with positive people. Energy is contagious. They protect their peace by choosing their circle wisely. Habit 7. They forgive not for others, but for themselves. Letting go is freedom. Holding on is poison. Habit 8. They keep promises to themselves. Self-trust builds confidence. Every small win makes them stronger. Habit 9. They focus on growth, not perfection. Mistakes are lessons, not labels. Habit 10. They believe in their power to rise again. No matter what happens, they stand tall because resilience is a choice. Emotional strength isn't something you're born with. It's something you build every single day. So, decide today to stop letting emotions run your life and start leading your emotions with purpose. Because when your mind becomes your ally, nothing in this world can break you.